Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2008 to 2012 Audi A3 and S3? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2008 Audi A3 and S3 manages key interior systems such as the infotainment unit, interior lighting, and instrument cluster. It also controls power functions like central locking, power windows, and side mirrors. In the 2009 Audi A3 and S3, the instrument panel fuse box controls essential interior electronics such as the dashboard display, infotainment system, and interior lights. It also manages power functions for windows, mirrors, and central locking. In the 2010 Audi A3 and S3, the instrument panel fuse box supports key cabin functions, including the instrument cluster, multimedia system, and interior lighting. It powers essential controls like electric windows, side mirrors, and central locking. In the 2011 to 2012 Audi A3 and S3, the instrument panel fuse box manages critical interior functions such as the instrument cluster, MMI system, and cabin lights. It supplies power to features like power windows, mirrors, and central locking. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2008 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 30 plug-in fuses supports key components like the cooling fans, ignition coils, ABS, and fuel pump. It ensures reliable power delivery to essential engine and safety systems. In the 2008 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 54 plug-in fuses provides broader coverage for high-demand systems. It powers and protects components such as the ECU, ABS/ESP, cooling system, lighting modules, and various engine management functions. In the 2009 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 30 plug-in fuses protects key systems like the ABS/ESP module, ignition coils, radiator fan, and fuel pump. It ensures stable electrical supply to vital engine and safety components. In the 2009 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 54 plug-in fuses supports a wider range of systems, including the ECU, ABS/ESP, cooling fans, lighting modules, and engine control components. It ensures reliable power distribution for both performance and safety functions. In the 2010 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 30 plug-in fuses protects essential systems such as the ABS/ESP module, ignition coils, fuel pump, and radiator fan. It ensures efficient power delivery to core engine and safety components. In the 2010 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 54 plug-in fuses manages a wide range of high-demand systems, including the ECU, ABS/ESP, cooling fans, lighting modules, and engine management units. It ensures comprehensive protection and power distribution for critical vehicle operations. In the 2011 to 2012 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 30 plug-in fuses safeguards key components like the ignition system, ABS ESP module, radiator fan, and fuel pump. It ensures efficient power supply to essential engine and safety functions. In the 2011 Audi A3 and S3, the engine compartment fuse box with 54 plug-in fuses supports a wide range of systems including the ECU, ABS ESP, cooling fans, lighting modules, and various engine control units. It provides reliable power distribution for both performance and safety-critical components. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.